How to fix WhatsApp not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. See, make sure you have stable internet connection. If you are using the Wi-Fi, then you can just switch to the cellular data, and if you are using the cellular data, then you can switch back to the Wi-Fi, and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Now the second solution is you have to update your WhatsApp to its latest version. For that, open your Play Store. Now search for the app WhatsApp. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. In the case you see the option of update, just tap on it and update your WhatsApp to its latest version. But if you see the option of open, as mine, it means your WhatsApp is already up to date. Likewise, the other solution is you have to clear cache and data. For that, long press on your WhatsApp, tap on app info. At the bottom, you can find that option of clear data, tap on it, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. Again, tap on clear data, tap on clear all data, tap on OK. Also, you can tap on this option of force stop, tap on OK. This may also fix your problem. Likewise, the other solution is you have to uninstall this app. Tap on uninstall, tap on OK. After you uninstall your WhatsApp, you can open your Play Store again and install it. If all of this solution doesn't work for you, then you can give a fresh restart to your phone. Sometimes rebooting your phone also fixes this kind of problem. If that solution also doesn't work for you, then you can just check if WhatsApp server is down. If that's the case, then you can just wait until WhatsApp server is fixed, and then your WhatsApp is definitely gonna work. So this is how you can fix WhatsApp not working. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.